shit smells the same, and so you reek like Colonel Jackson back in 1828, when he thought that the whole world was wrapped in only black and white. And that's just how you see it. You think there's no other side to the arguments you came in with, so just turn around and leave, and don't come back until we can agree again.